500 started on a bearish note, achieving lower lows, and then reversed on the very same day, achieving the highs at 3800. I told you very clearly that it has got the resistances here in this zone. It may try to trade sideways in between these levels, and specifically 3600, 3700, and then 3800. These are the stronger resistance zone. Then the next target is directly tilt towards this zone at 3900. Failing to breach past, certainly it has given a very strong drop, and see, this was the breakout candle. When since last 3 candles we have seen it consolidating for a while, and then this breakout happened. However, it has failed to breach past 3600 again. So next week, yes, any move below 3600, certainly you can remain short. You can expect 3550 levels again, and below that a more drop can be expected. Now, what should be our strategy to make or profit a trading S&P 500? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll define the strategy, we'll decide the levels at which we should enter, whether to buy, whether to sell. Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end I'll give you the trading levels. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Also, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel, do not forget to like, share and comment, and yes, do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, I do share my daily update on major global markets and commodities, including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, gold, silver, oil, NG. Yes, you can watch those on daily basis and define the direction. Definitely, the level share will help you deciding the direction and deciding the trade for the day. Now, let's have a look. So, on the daily charts, you have seen it is given higher lows and higher highs. Hence, you have to be cautious of 3600. Certainly, anytime, any point of time, if you see it trading below 3600 next week, certainly you can remain short. You can expect 3550, and then below that, there is a tendency for it to drop till towards 3400 levels in this week, or maybe this month itself. It will try to drop till towards 3400. Very extreme levels, but let's have a look into details. Why did I say so, and why I am trying to say so? Now look at the daily charts. Lower lows are already done, and it is still trying to trade with little bearishness. Look at this here. See, if you connect the dots from here, see, this is how it is traded. And if you connect the dots from last few weeks, it is changed, or it has changed the gears here. It is trading extremely bearish since then. So yes, it has achieved the highs, trying to trade with the reversal here. The next support level, the major support level for S&P 500 is certainly at 3400, 3350 levels. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, you can find out this is the support level here at 3600, 3620. Breaking this, certainly you can expect more bearishness. At the same time, look at this. It is consolidated here at 3580. Try to show you higher highs from what we had seen. 3700 is a very strong resistance. It has achieved higher highs, drop, higher highs, and then a sharper drop. So see, it is still trying to trade in this bullish channel. Trading below 3600, certainly that will be a call for you to stay short on S&P 500 for next week, and we can expect it to drop sharply for first 3550 and then till towards 3480, 3400 levels. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now see, on the weekly charts, we saw this last week 3300, 3500 zone, and that makes 3400 a very good, very strong and very achievable target. It can try to fall back within this zone once before it tries to reverse a little. Also, if you see this, this is going to be the lows of this channel in which it is trying to trade. Yes, hence you have to be careful there. Now look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, you will find that the previous week and this week, what we had seen is higher highs, lower lows. The span is almost 3550 to 3800. Almost it is 250 points. It means the pivot at around 3675 and 3700. So trading above 3700, only one can expect that it is trying to trade bullish, else it can reverse again. It can give you a red candle, achieve lower lows here at 3550, 3530 levels, and try to bounce back. Yes, there is a stronger possibility for it to happen. Now, as I told you, yes, on the downside, the support level is far away. Now look at the monthly candle, and let me show you something on the monthly charts. See these previous 2 candles here, and if you look at the candle, now look at the previous 2 candles. Almost here you can find 200 points of wick and a smaller body, 200 points of wick and a bigger red body. Remember, this is the second red candle. Now see this, already 200 points of wick is done here, as it started from 3600 till 3800, 200 points of wick is done, and see if it drops from here. If it trades below 3600, certainly you can expect a drop. Now what should be the candle size? You can see here 3600 to 3950. If you take into count 350 points from here, 3600 to 300 is almost 3300, and then in fact it can try to drop till towards 3250 levels. So see, I'm not scaring you, but these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. We have seen it happening here, we have seen it happening here, we can see it happening here too, as there could be a follow-up red candle, the third red candle, which it may try to achieve. Remember, it is already trading below the support level. The next target is definitely this zone at 3300 levels. We saw this last time. I am once again telling you, we are looking forward to this. Is going to be a very strong support, and below that certainly more bearishness can be expected. So now the charts are done. We have seen the levels as per the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators, whether the indicators are also suggesting the same or they are contradictory through our observation. And if you look at this, the S&P, you can see US 500 traded outside the Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour charts, hence a possible pullback. Though the expansion of Bollinger Bands is yet on the cards. When the next candle starts or next day start, definitely you will see it expanded. However, a pullback can be expected, and then on the upside, once again 3760 and 3800 levels will come into picture, which will be definitely a greater resistance. And yes, 3670, 3700 are also the first resistance which it is going to face. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic trading oversold, indicating bearishness. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish. This is indicating more bearishness in the coming time frames. RSI trading at bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, the US 500 is trading below the 20-50-100 moving average. Also, it is diverging. The 20 period moving average is divergent. We can see it is increasing with bearishness there. Also, this is a resistance now 3750, and then the 3800 levels will come into picture. Be careful on the downside. Support there at 3550 is strong. 3500 is going to be very strong. Directional movement again is starting to diverge, indicating more bearishness in the coming time frames. Stochastic, which was overbought, now looking downwards. Possibly it may come back to oversold zone. See, whenever it is traded oversold, there is a sharp rise we have seen, and then a sharp drop, and again oversold. Sharp rise again may follow with a sharper drop and continue to trade oversold. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell position. RSI looking downwards, indicating bearishness. Look at the weekly chart. The bottom of the Bollinger Bands it is tried to trade, and yes, this may again provide a very strong support at 3550, trading or breaching below which you can certainly expect more bearishness, which might take it till towards 3500, 3450, 3400 levels. Directional movement bearish but trying to converge. Stochastic on the weekly charts is oversold, but let me show you something. Did you ask a question, or did you have a thought that why it was trading overbought for these many weeks? If it can trade overbought, yes, why can't it trade oversold for weeks? Yes, it can. So yes, do not think or do not take it as a parameter for you to decide that it is going to reverse. Look at MACD. This is just 3 candles away. It is still divergent. It is still lot much to cover on the downside. It can continue to trade below -100 and then reverse from there. Possibility of a bearish move again expected here. RSI at bottom, and likewise on the monthly candle. Yes, 3500 level certainly a very strong support, trading below which it will call for more bearishness, and then you can expect 3300, 3250 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic again looking downwards. It is already bearish here. MACD divergent and bearish. It has seen the peak out there. Possibly it may start to converge, and RSI trading flat near to bottom. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Considering this, let me give you the trading levels and strategy for next. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. Yes, you can buy here at 3660 itself. Expect 3680 very nearby, and then 3710 as the very strong resistance zone. Yes, this is going to be a stronger resistance for next week. And yes, before I give you the complete strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art and want to trade independently, if you want to trade profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is going to start on 7th of November. Only limited seats are available. This is going to be a 15-day session, 90 minutes live webinar, and post-course, post-completion of sessions also you can repeat the course. Also you can ask any query any point of time to any of us. Yes, that live will always be available to you, and definitely with our support for technical analysis you can trade confidently. So join the mentorship batch, reach out to me for more details. Also you can be part of my signals group. If you do not want to trade on your own, you can be part of my signals group, else become a pattern and support the effort. The contact links are mentioned in the channel and video description. My telegram id, my email id, then my channel pattern page link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. So do reach out to me for details. Now let's have a look here. Beyond 3710, certainly it will call for more bullishness. 3750, 3800, this is going to be the next stronger resistance level at 3800. Beyond that, certainly it will fly. Beyond that, you can expect that we may see it hitting 3880, 3950, if not this week, but then next week or this month itself, it can try to achieve this level. I don't think so that it may try to trade bullish, but possibility of a drop can be expected. So yes, you can sell at 3600 itself, below which the next target is 3560, 3530, and then 3500. Till here we have got supports. Yes, first support, second support, third support. 3500, very strong support. Below that, certainly it will be looking forward to 3450, 3400, 3320, 3270 levels. If not this week, then next week, probably till the time it trades below 3400, 3500 zone, certainly more bearishness can be expected. We can in fact expect it to drop till towards 3250 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, join my pattern page. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you.